Hi students, today we are going to discuss regarding one of the name reaction, that is Williamson's synthesis. First point, this is the one of the best method to prepare ethers. This is first bit what we are preparing in Williamson synthesis. Answer is ethers. In this process, you can prepare simple ether, mixed ether, you can prepare aromatic ether also. So, by using Williamson synthesis, you can prepare simple ether or symmetrical ether, mixed ether or unsymmetrical ether, and also you can prepare aromatic ethers. Here, the basic concept is RX, alkyl halide. Here X is more electronegative, getting partial negative charge. Here carbon are getting partial positive charge. Reacts with sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide, RONA, in the presence of magnesium and also heating symbol. This is SN2 reaction, forming ROR plus NaX. Create the statement: alkyl halides reacts with sodium alkoxides, produces ethers. Alkyl halides react with sodium alkoxide, produces ethers. Here, the basic concept from alkyl halide, halogen atom is replaced by alkoxy group. So X place, which one replaced? RO, alkoxy group. So the general statement: alkyl halides reacts with sodium alkoxides, on heating gives ethers. This reaction is known as Williamson synthesis. Now you can create reactions. C2H5I, name is ethyl iodide. C2H5I name is ethyl iodide. C2H5ONA, sodium ethoxide. Sodium ethoxide gives C2H5O, C2H5 plus NaI. This is diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. IUPAC name is ethoxyethane. This is simple ether. You can prepare mixed ether. C2H5I, this is ethyl iodide, plus CH3ONA, sodium methoxide, sodium methoxide gives C2H5OCH3 plus NaI. Common name is ethyl methyl ether. IUPAC name is methoxyethane. Methoxyethane. Now another very important concept here, to get more yield of ether. More yield of ether, what are the favorable conditions? We are preparing ethers in this process, it's okay, but which combination can produce more yield of ether is very important competitive bit. Participants are what? Alkyl halides, and other participant is what? Alkoxide. From these two, alkyl halide Rx should be primary and RONA should be tertiary. If the participant from alkyl halide part is primary and alkoxide part is tertiary, you will get good yield of ether, more favor to produce ether, more favor. So participant alkyl halide should be primary and alkoxide should be tertiary. Let us create one reaction of combination using those two. One, look the reaction clearly. CH3CH2I. This is ethyl iodide. This one is a alkyl halide. In which mode? Primary mode. Primary alkyl halide reacts with tertiary alkoxides NaOCH3 gives, this is alkoxide. This is alkoxide. Which mode? Tertiary mode. Gives ether CH3CH2O CH3 plus NaI. See the reaction properly. Ethyl iodide, this is alkyl halide, is a primary, this is alkoxide, is a tertiary, producing ethers. Okay na? If you are going to use reverse, instead of taking alkyl halide and alkoxide in reverse concept, that favor for the means here elimination reaction, that is favor for the elimination reaction, means undergoes dehydrohalogenation. So this method, Williamson synthesis method, this method is not applicable. This method is not suitable for, not applicable for what? Secondary and tertiary alkyl halides. Secondary and tertiary alkyl halides. This method is not applicable for secondary and tertiary alkyl. If secondary and tertiary alkyls, if you are using secondary and tertiary alkyl halides, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides favor for the dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation takes place means definitely you will get alkenes. There is no chance for getting. So this is understood. In alkyl halides, we have to use, in this method, alkyl halides, we should use only primary. We are not going to use secondary and tertiary. If you are going to use secondary and tertiary alkyl halides, that is favor for dehydrohalogenation and getting product what? Alkenes. You can create the reaction also.